here we go. So we're gonna be doing Pearson Edexcel functional scale September 2019 math level 2 non-calculator paper. So let's get started. So the first question is all about Bill. So Bill is a builder. On Monday, he made mortar mix. He used 24 kg of sand and 5 kg of cement. Okay. On Tuesday, Bill will make the same type of mortar mix. He will use 36 kg of sand. Okay, so the question is, how much cement does he need to make the same type of mortar mix? Okay, so this is mainly a ratio problem. So from 24 to 36, we have to multiply by, to keep it as simple as possible, 36 over 24. So whatever you do on top, you have to do the same thing at the bottom. So that will become 5 times 36 over 24. So 5 times 36 over 24 is what? So simplified, divided by 12 is 3, divided by 12 is 2. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 2, which is equals to 7.5. So if we do it, 15 divided by 2, 2 times 7 is 14. 1, 0, put a point, and then 0. 2 times 5 is 10, 7.5 kg. So our answer is 7.5 kg. Okay, done. Next question. So here we go. 2.71828, correct to 3 decimal places. So this is what we are looking for, 3 decimal places. Now, if we look at the number after 8, if that number is more than 5, then we add 1 to 8. If this number is less than 5, in this particular case it is less than 5, so we just leave it as it is, which then our answer is 2.718. Alright, next one. So here we go. So use a formula, p equals to 3t squared. Work out the value for p when t is equals to 10. Okay. So p is equals to 3t squared, which just means 3 times t times t. So in this particular case, 3 times 10 times 10, which is equals to 3 times, let's keep it even more quicker. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 3 is equals to 300. So our answer is 300. Alright, next question. So we have Lizzie, who is buying 3 clocks for a total cost of £50. So there are 3 clocks. Let's call it A, B, and C. So clock A, clock B, clock C. So she bought it for a total of £50. She sells 2 of the clocks. So let's say 2 of the clocks A, B. So 2 of the clocks A sold for 22, B sold for 22, and the other clock C she sold for 20. So 22 plus 22 is 44. So 22 plus 22, which is 44. 44 plus 20 is equals to 64. The question is, Lizzie thinks she has made a profit of over 30% of the cost of the clocks. Is Lizzie correct? Show why you think this is. So to find the profit, so which basically means 64 minus, so that's the new value, minus the original value over the original value times 100%. So our answer here will be 4 minus 0 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, over 50 times 100%. So we can simplify that. 0 cancel with 0. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So which is equals to 28%. So our answer is 28, which means no, she's not correct. Alright, next one. Usha is a local counselor. She wants to write about a new housing development. The diagram shows the space for the new development. So this is a triangle. Okay, so let's remind ourselves, area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay. Usha thinks the area of the development will be greater than the total area of 50 football pitches. Okay. So, first of all, what's the area of one football pitch? Is a rectangle, so that's a rectangle. 100 meters, so meters, 50 meters. Okay. So one football pitch would just be rectangle, would just be base times height. So 100 times 50, and we're looking for 50 football pitches, so we have to multiply by 50 again. Then we'll have 5 times 5 is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, which is equals to 250,000 meters square. Now we have to find out, is this going to be, will the area of development be greater? So is this going to be greater? The development is greater than that. So what we need to do, first of all, mile, change it to meters. 1 mile is 1600 meters. Half mile would just be half of that. Half mile would just be 1600 divided by 2, which is equals to 800 meters. So this would be 800 meters. This would be 800 meters. So to find the area of triangle, that would be 800 times 800 divided by 2. 8 times 8 is 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So we add 4 zeros at the back and then divided by 2. So 64 divided by 2 is 32. And then we have one more zero, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 320,000. Is it going to be greater? Yes, it is going to be greater. Okay, next one. So use reverse calculation to show a check of the answers. Well, this one is pretty straightforward. We can just say 320,000 divided by 80 or 800. So that will become 3,200 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is equals to 400. So our answer would be